Annoyed.
I was at the party last night. Get the call, 10:30, Sam on the phone. She says, I got a beach house. You need to get down there. There's gonna be some swells. When she told me that, I knew those waves were gonna be huge. Right, where's the flag system to propel?
There were a lot of people on the beach. A lot.
A lot of people, a lot of energy, a lot of tents, a lot of games, a lot of fun, a lot of big waves.
Oh man, with an angle! Oh yeah! Woo!
The reason I think there was a lot of people is they all just wanted to come out and see what we could do to those waves, how we could take them.
So I'm standing there on the beach, talking to your dad. I turn around, your brother Jake bolts.
Oh yeah.
I said, that guy's going in the water.
And I had to follow him.
And I'm going in with him.
The waves are cherry nar nar bra. Cherry nar. The pipes were huge.
No sand man goes in those waters.
We were all in the pipe. Gnarly pipe. As one. It was like we were like together.
I felt you guys during that.
True. When you were in the waves and Nelson was in the waves and I saw that and then I was in it, I honestly at one point said, am I crazy? Am I insane? No, I'm not. I'm just an extreme type of guy.
So I felt this wave come on my back and it said, I'm taking you all the way in. I looked back and said, yes, you are.
Right there.
When I saw Nelson come in, and something went wrong. I don't know. He went under. And
Just underwater, I didn't know which way was up. The wave had me. Just pushing me back down. Said, no, you're not getting out of this one.
When I saw Nelson jump in the water and that wave came and he got knocked on his back, it's the same feeling, the same exact feeling I had with my friend.
I look down, and I see him. He's breathing. He gets up. He's fine. Unbelievable. You just don't realize how close you get sometimes. You take shit for granted.
Man, sucks you gotta go, man. And a perfect day like this.